Hello, this is Dee with TeeDesignsByDee. What if I told you you could design a custom party favorite chip bag in just 5 minutes? You don't need fancy software, you don't need a graphic design degree, you just need this editable Canva template. Change the name, change the colors, download it, print it, and boom, you've got classroom ready favorites that look professionally made. Want the link? Just comment glass below and I got you.